The rose? A flower that speaks a universal language, a symbol of love, passion, and beauty. But the rose is more than just a pretty face. It holds secrets, stories, and a history as rich as its fragrance. Join us as we journey into the fascinating world of roses. We'll uncover their hidden depths, from their botanical origins to their cultural significance. The rose belongs to the Rosaceae family, a large and diverse group that includes apples, strawberries, and cherries. This family connection might surprise you, but look closely and you'll see similarities in their flowers and fruits. Roses are classified as shrubs. They can be climbing or trailing, with thorny stems and fragrant flowers. The thorns, while prickly, serve a vital purpose. They protect the rose from hungry herbivores. Over 300 species of roses exist in the wild, and countless cultivars have been developed by humans. This incredible diversity offers a rose for every taste and garden. Some popular types include hybrid teas, known for their long stems and classic rose shape. Floribundas boast clusters of blooms, perfect for adding a splash of color. And then there are the delicate miniature roses, ideal for pots and small spaces. What is it about roses that captivates our senses? Is it the velvety softness of the petals, the intoxicating fragrance that fills the air, or the endless array of colors, from pristine white to deep crimson? Each rose variety possesses a unique combination of these qualities. Some roses, like the damask rose, are prized for their intense fragrance, used for centuries in perfumes and essential oils. Others, like the David Austin roses, captivate with their old-world charm and romantic full-petaled blooms. Roses are not just beautiful to look at. They have a multitude of practical uses that span across different fields. In perfumery, roses are a key ingredient. Their essential oils create luxurious and timeless fragrances. Culinary uses include rose petals and rose water, adding unique flavors to dishes. Rose tea, made from dried petals, offers health benefits like stress relief and improved digestion. Beyond practical uses, roses symbolize love and beauty, perfect for gifts and celebrations. Section 6. Tips for growing roses. Roses are beloved for their beauty and fragrance. Whether you're experienced or a beginner, growing roses is rewarding. Want roses in your garden? Follow these essential tips. Roses can thrive with proper care. Understand their needs and provide the right conditions. Choose a sunny spot with well-drained soil. Roses need at least 6 hours of sunlight daily. Sunlight keeps roses healthy and vibrant. Water regularly, but avoid overwatering to prevent root rot. Use balanced fertilizer every 4 to 6 weeks during the growing season. Prune to maintain health and shape. Pruning encourages new growth. Remove dead or diseased wood and cut back stems for air circulation. Follow these tips, and your roses will thrive. Section 7. Roses in history and culture. Roses have symbolized love, beauty, and power for centuries. In ancient Rome, roses adorned banquet halls and baths, symbolizing luxury. The Victorian era saw roses used in florography, conveying messages through colors. Red roses symbolized passionate love. Yellow roses represented friendship. Today, roses express love, gratitude, and celebration, remaining timeless across cultures. Section 8. Rose Facts. Roses have captivated human hearts for millennia. But did you know that the oldest living rose is over 1,000 years old? Found in Germany, this resilient plant has weathered the test of time. Another intriguing fact is that rose hips, the fruit of the rose, are packed with vitamin C, more than oranges. And here's a fun tidbit. The world's largest rose bush, located in Arizona, spans over 9,000 square feet. Roses are not just beautiful, they're also full of surprises. What surprising rose fact do you know? Share it with us in the comments below. Section 9. Rose. Share the beauty. Roses are fascinating. Each one tells a story. Cherished for centuries, they symbolize love and passion. Their elegance enchants us, They inspire art and literature. Cultivating roses requires patience and care. Next time you see a rose, appreciate its beauty. Inhale its fragrance. Think about its journey. From bud to bloom, it's nature's wonder. Let's celebrate roses together. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fascinating nature stories.